Chiku, finish your almonds and don't forget to drink your milk.
Mommy, your almonds are not in danger. But if I don't pay attention in my class right now, my marks will definitely burst in. Also, the name is Sharma. Jane Sharma. I'm not a chinku pinku tinku during school.
Okay, girls, that's all for today. You can all hang up the call. Remember to prepare for your Nelson Mandela quiz tomorrow.
And I am told that I am the reason I don't get good marks. No, Your Honor. Oh, what I'm going to do about the quiz tomorrow?
The only honor of this family is me. So tell me, Judge Sahiba, what is your issue?
I am guilty of trying my best to attend the online classes. My lord, I missed the lecture. With mom telling me to consume breakfast and how I quiz tomorrow Nelson Mandela.
Oh, Nelson Mandela, हमारे बापूजी के पक्के यार. Come, ask me all you want, Chiku. I will be your Wikipedia for today.
Oh, really? You are sure you can help me? I really want information on him from anything to everything.
Well, it's a special day and it would be a privilege to learn about the man in whose honor this day is being celebrated. Mr. Mandela sacrificed a lot to achieve his goals of social equality and social justice. The Nelson Mandela Foundation is an organization dedicated to the principles of equality, freedom and peace in South Africa. It upholds the goal 16 among the SDGs, peace, justice and strong institutions, an extremely important goal given the increasingly divided world we are living in.
The SDGs aim is to significantly reduce all form of violence, work with governments and communities to end conflict and insecurity. And that's exactly what Mr. Nelson Mandela fought all his life for and achieved it successfully for his country. So let us embark on this long journey of peace, equality and freedom along with the students of class 7E, celebrating 18th of July as International Nelson Mandela Day.
Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1918 to the royal family of Thembu tribe in British South Africa. His real name was Rolihlahla. He got the name Nelson from a teacher at the age of 7. Come, let's meet Nelson.
In 1943, Mandela joined the ANC African National Congress Party and co-founded its youth league in 1944. After the establishment of apartheid system, ANC members including Mandela made it their life mission to overthrow this injustice. Not surprisingly, Nelson was increasingly unpopular among the white-only authority. In 1956, he was arrested for treason for a duration of 5 years. After discharge, along with his fellow ANC members and the South African Communist Party, led an anti-government sabotage campaign and was re-arrested in 1962, sentenced to life imprisonment. Mandela spent the next 27 years in prison, transferred to Robben Island to Pollsmoor Prison and Victor Verster Prison. During his 18 years of Robben Island, he and his friends were physically and verbally abused, and Mandela's eyesight was also permanently damaged. Nonetheless, his influence grew as an activist and among ANC prisoners on Robben Island. Later, he initiated a movement called the University of Robben Island, enabling prisoners to share expert skills and knowledge, and Nelson himself debated socio-political topics. In 1982, he was transferred to the second confinement, Pollsmoor Prison, due to the authorities' fears of Nelson's rising prominence. With the freedom to carry and read out correspondence at Pollsmoor, Nelson reached out to people of all races. In 1980s, with South Africa chaos, President Botha reluctantly offered to release Nelson on a condition to reject violence as a political weapon. With Nelson's refusal in doing so, he was solitary confinement. In 1988, he was transferred to Victor Verster Prison, where he used his time to complete his Bachelor of Law degree. The new president, F.W. de Klerk, met Mandela to discuss abolishing apartheid and had him released in 1990. In 1991, Nelson became president of ANC and collaborated with President de Klerk to end apartheid peacefully, promising equal rights for everyone. Their fight for the peace of South Africa earned the pair of Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. The 1994 general elections in South Africa gave all races the right to vote to the ANC won the elections, making Nelson Mandela the first black president of the country on 10 May 1994. With his new role, Mandela continued his fight for black people's rights by issuing policies to improve the living standards and facilities of black South Africans. In 1999, Mandela withdrew from politics, though continuing to be an icon of peace and equality worldwide during his last years. In the same year, he founded the Nelson Mandela Foundation, an organization dedicated in upholding the principles of equality, freedom, and peace in South Africa.
He is often described as the father of the nation. His passing away in 2013 left many tears, but his status as a symbol of equality, peace, and humanitarianism will stay forever. Thus, every year, 18th of July is celebrated as the National Mandela Day, to mark the legacy of a man who changed the 20th century and helped shape the 21st.
He was indeed a visionary one that the world needed. Thank you, Grandpa, for all this information. How am I going to remember this all?
Well, I guess we'll have to put my endangered animals to work for that one.